to set up another video. This is actually my son's third feed. So, like I said, he eats 4 times a day, once every 4 hours. So, this is one. This Pediasure sugar it up real well. Um, reason why he's on an NG tube, like I said before, he's not getting enough nutrition. Um, he does not eat. He'll snack, but he won't eat any kind of food whatsoever. So I'm about to set up his stuff right now so he can go ahead and get his meal in for the night, for the day. Bless you. So basically, I'm letting all the old milk out because we are repriming it through to get all the air bubbles out of it. So as you can see, all the new milk going through. And he has it through his nose once again. He doesn't have it through his stomach. He does pretty good. Um, but he is a typical preteen. He does not like early morning peace. He does not like anybody waking him up out of his sleep. He likes to sleep. If he sleep, I try not to bother him, but I try to keep him on schedule as much as possible with his feeds and stuff. Yeah. So once again, the air bubbles are not all the way out. So hit the prime, reprime it, and now we should be good to get ready to hook them up. So I'm about to hook this up to him. He's not gonna let you see him and stuff like that. Push to start. And he does that for an hour, well, 56 minutes. So now the time is about 5:10. So he should be done around with that around 6 o'clock or 6:05. He should be done with this feed. I don't do a continuous feed on him They tried that at the hospital, but it did make him sick with they call it bonus feeds, and it made him real sick. He was not, because he's lactose intolerant. Um, they still had to get him some type of nutrition, but they feeding him with that slowly instead of continuous feeds. Well, yeah, all day. So it's all about what he can tolerate. And I see a lot of people on YouTube that does the G2 feeds or whatever. It's just all about how their kids' stomachs can handle stuff. My son is very sensitive. He does not like dairy at all. He's very sensitive to dairy. So he does have a food allergy to nuts and seeds. So he wants me out the room so he can be quiet. He's on his iPad, so that's why he's making noise. He's getting irritated with me. Y'all have a good day. I'll try to vlog another video for y'all tonight when he goes to bed.